I'm so glad you clicked on the link. And now you don't have to be sad mad either. But really, what's it all about? What I've done is I've taken the menu that was at the dessert factory and I've compiled it all down into a little cookbook inside the membership site. That's what you can get access to right now. That's all of the items that were on our menu. They're in a little cookbook for you. You can bake them at home. Isn't it exciting? And if that's not enough, what we've done is we've added our pro tips and our secrets to each one of the recipes so that when you bake maybe your creme brulee or the flan, it's going to turn out absolutely perfect. And even then, if you're still struggling, you still can't quite figure it out, you will also get access to online support. That's right, you can ask questions to me and I will respond and make sure that when you're trying out those cinnamon rolls and they're just not quite fluffy enough, I can give you the tips and the tricks and the secrets and also answer any questions you have to make sure your desserts turn out perfect. There is nothing out there like this, absolutely nothing. But let's be honest, you could go on the web and search all day long looking for that perfect recipe that you've never tried, you don't have a friend who's tried, you're simply relying on the information from some stranger in some place that you've never met. When the reality is, you know, you and your neighbors love the dessert factory and the treats that came right from it. So right here, you get a guarantee you're going to like exactly what you make every single time. This will no doubt make you the belle of the ball at the next party when you show up with some piping hot delicious, even something as simple as a chocolate chip cookie. It all comes down to the chemistry, and that's what you learn inside, following the recipes and those pro tips. So you have absolutely nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm very excited about this. My goal, my desire, is to bring the dessert factory to your kitchen. So all you've got to do is click the link below and you'll get access to the membership site, put your information in, and you're off to baking. Baking the best treats and the best desserts you've ever made. So don't delay. Click below now and let's get started.